All right, let's solve a pretty common problem for iPhone users, getting Stremio to actually work.
If you've looked for Stremio in the App Store, you probably came up empty. Yeah, you're not alone.
But hey, don't worry, there's a super simple official fix that'll have you up and running in minutes.
We're gonna walk through the official web solution step by step. Let's dive in. So the secret is the Stremio web server. It lets you use your account right in a browser.
Okay, first things first, you need to grab the free VLC player from the App Store. Super important.
All right, now just open Safari or whatever browser you use and go to web.stremio.com to log in.
After you're logged in, pop open the settings. We're looking for the Play in External Player option. Just tap and select VLC. Now, when you pick a show, it'll open right up in the VLC app. Want to make this way easier? Let's get this thing right on your home screen, like a real app. From your browser's share icon, just scroll down and hit Add to Home Screen. Then tap Add. And just like that, you've got it. The Stremio icon is right there on your home screen.
So what did we just do? You got full Stremio access on iOS with one tap launch. No weird stuff. You know, this whole web app thing is pretty powerful.